So Symbio, we helped Volvo to co-create their new system that integrates with CarPlay, Apple's revolutionary new system that enables iPhones to connect directly with the car.
So the way that Volvo has integrated CarPlay is fundamentally different from other brands. Our users don't want to learn a completely new system when they're integrating with their connectivity in the car. So what we have done is that we have integrated CarPlay as part of the overall Volvo user experience that enables you to mix use cases in between them. So for example, you want to listen to music through CarPlay, but you want to navigate with the built-in system. We want to do that as easy and frictionless as possible.
So basically the idea was to build a platform that would allow these systems to work together in a seamless way so it gives you the best possible user experience.
What we would like to do as a brand is to focus a lot on the user experience, but in order to put our focus there, there's a lot of tech that needs to be in place. So we teamed up with Symbio to quickly be able to develop the foundation. That enables us to put a lot of focus on how we want to make the integration unique to Volvo and how we want to fine-tune it to meet the user experience goals to our customers.
One of the great things about the collaboration is that we were able to implement those ideas so rapidly that we could very easily see that the idea would work and then move on to the next one and the next one and the next one. So every time we did that, it was like a virtuous circle. We just kept iterating and the design got better and better and better until it's what you see today.
And that has been a great way to collaborate with Symbio with all the technology expertise they have. They formed a perfect partnership for our competence to focus on what our customers want and making the experience come alive.
We are a partner for all companies that want to create great software experiences, great software products and services that can drive innovation for our partners. In the automobile and the car space, we've been working with clients to create new concepts that enable them to really deliver new experiences for their users in the car. Also, we've been working as an engineering partner to actualize those innovations, actualize those concepts to ensure that they're not just ideas, but they're actual services that customers can enjoy.
And nowadays, there is tools, resources, skill sets are all available to rapidly develop products. So as soon as the idea is generated, you can almost immediately generate a prototype. So instead of waiting weeks and weeks and weeks for something to be developed, a prototype can be developed in as little as a couple of days or even a couple of hours, depending on how complicated the original design is.
And the ability to do that quickly, I think that was kind of the enabler to be in a good state further down the road. Now leading up to the car shows and having it done, a week is so valuable at the end because that's where you can put in fidelity into your solution and in your message. So saving weeks, maybe months in the beginning by being agile in the way you collaborate with us enabled us to really get that kind of fidelity in the end. And that's what set us apart from all the other brands.
It really is about building together and learning together. It's not about a project. It's not about someone specifying what they need and we build it for them. It's really about coming in and trying to solve the same problem together by looking at the same problem and ensuring that we have shared success. Because at the end of the day, it's ensuring that Volvo can succeed in the marketplace.
One of the things that came out of our work with CarPlay was a software component that we were able to reuse in order to implement CarPlay in a much more rapid fashion than what you typically expect. So it may take a year or so for a software provider to be able to implement CarPlay in the car. We can do that in less than half the time based on the software components that we built during this collaboration.
Yeah, so technology breeds insight about the customers, and then the insight breeds technology again.
That's right. It's like a virtuous circle which just keeps getting better and better and better. Your product just continuously improves. The more you have involvement from all these different parties, the better the technology works, the more the product improves.
Yeah.